Here are some things you can do to excel and score 99.99 percentile in your MBA CAT exam in 2023. Develop a strong foundation. Build a strong foundation by studying the basics of quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Make sure you understand the concepts and formulas thoroughly. Practice regularly. Practice regularly by solving a variety of questions and taking mock tests. This will help you improve your speed and accuracy, and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Analyze mock tests. Analyze your mock tests carefully to identify your weak areas and focus on improving them. Also, analyze the questions that you got right and see if there are any faster or better ways to solve them. Time management. Time management is key to scoring high in the CAT exam. Practice solving questions within the allotted time to improve your speed. Develop test-taking strategy. Develop a test-taking strategy based on your strengths and weaknesses. This will help you optimize your score and save time during the exam. Read regularly. Read regularly to improve your vocabulary and reading comprehension skills. Read books, newspapers, and magazines, and practice solving reading comprehension passages. Join online forums. Join online forums and groups related to MBA CAT preparation to stay updated on the latest exam patterns, tips, and tricks. Take coaching classes. Consider taking coaching classes if you feel you need additional help. They can provide you with a structured approach to studying and help you identify your weak areas. Stay motivated. Stay motivated throughout the preparation process. Keep a positive attitude and stay focused on your goals. Remember, there is no substitute for hard work and practice. Keep practicing regularly, stay confident, and focus on your goal of scoring 99.99 percentile in the MBA CAT exam. Here's a week-by-week schedule for CAT MBA exam preparation from April 2023 till November 2023. April 2023. Week 1, start by taking a CAT mock test to assess your current level of preparation. Analyze your strengths and weaknesses based on the test results and plan accordingly. Week 2 to 3, focus on strengthening your fundamentals in areas such as quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Use standard textbooks, online courses, or coaching material to brush up on your concepts. Week 4, take another mock test to measure your progress. May 2023. Week 1 to 2, work on improving your speed and accuracy in solving questions. Practice solving questions from previous year's CAT papers and take time tests to improve your speed. Week 3 to 4, start working on your weak areas identified in the previous mock tests. Keep practicing and solving questions to improve your skills. June 2023. Week 1 to 2, start focusing on building your test-taking strategy. Analyze previous year's CAT papers and identify the question types that you're comfortable with and the ones that you struggle with. Week 3 to 4, practice mock tests and refine your strategy based on the analysis of your performance. July 2023. Week 1 to 2, work on your vocabulary and reading comprehension skills by reading newspapers, magazines, and books. Practice solving RC passages and questions to improve your comprehension. Week 3 to 4, take mock tests to assess your progress and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. August 2023. Week 1 to 2, Work on building your speed and accuracy in solving quantitative aptitude questions. Practice solving different types of questions and take timed tests to improve your speed. Week 3 to 4, take mock tests and analyze your performance. Work on your weak areas and refine your strategy. September 2023. Week 1 to 2, start working on your data interpretation and logical reasoning skills. Practice solving different types of D and LR questions to improve your speed and accuracy. Week 3 to 4, take mock tests and analyze your performance. Work on your weak areas and refine your strategy. October 2023. Week 1 to 2, take full-length mock tests to simulate the actual CAT exam. Analyze your performance and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. Week 3 to 4, keep practicing and solving questions to improve your skills and speed. November 2023. Week 1 to 2, revise all the concepts and formulae that you have learned so far. Focus on improving your weak areas and finalizing your test-taking strategy. Week 3 to 4, take one final mock test to assess your preparedness for the exam. Stay confident and calm and prepare for the actual CAT exam. Remember to take breaks, stay healthy, and maintain a positive attitude throughout the preparation process.